Good morning, dear learners. In the last video, I have discussed a poem When Autumn Came with You. So I hope you have all understood well. Today, in this video, I am going to discuss the questions that are in the textbook, your textbook. So first question from the poem When Autumn Came is the comprehension 1, discussion 1. So first question is that the autumn season is characterized by a few things. What are they? See the dictionary definition within bracket. So if you have to see, or if you see the dictionary definition of autumn season, that they may come differently, or some other positive qualities, positive characteristics will also may come, so or may come, but the here in the context of the things, what are the characteristics the autumn season, the poet is talking about the characteristics of the autumn season in the poem, like the naked, withered and naked bodies of the trees, the yellow leaves that are scattered over the ground, a single moan, birds exiled from their song, they drop into the dust, the withered bodies, all are used to characterize the autumn season in the poem. Alright, so these are the characteristics: the withered and naked bodies of the trees, the yellow leaves that are scattered down. These are the characteristics of the autumn season in the context of the poem. So the question number 2, does the poet talk about all those characteristics? Yes, we have got all the characteristics here in the poem. The poet talks about all the characteristics while mentioning the effect of autumn on the trees. He talks about all the characteristics of the season, autumn. So moreover, when he talks about how with the advent of the autumn season, natural scenery is completely affected. From the internal meaning, all the characteristics of the autumn is the expression of the pitiable condition of the working class people. So autumn, internal, from the internal meaning, autumn is considered as the capitalist class people, and that exploitation over the working class people. That means all the characteristics that we have seen on the trees, on the birds, those are the characteristics of the working class people. So that is the internal meaning. But from the external meaning also, the poet has talked about all the characteristics in the poem of the season. So the third question, what is the impact of autumn on the trees? We have already got that thing. At the advent of the autumn season, the trees become completely naked, the leaves of the trees fallen yellow, turn yellow, they fell from the branches and they scattered over the ground. The trees leaves became completely old, the body was stripped down to the back, no birds can be seen on the branches of the, could be seen on the branches of the tree. These are the impact of autumn season on the trees. So number 4 is that what happens to the bird when autumn comes? During the autumn season, birds fly away to far off places from their own places, that is the tree. Their melodious song cannot be heard on the branches of the trees. Birds cannot be seen on the branches, or if they were they were in exile. You can't see any bird on the trees, on the branches of the trees, as if they were in exile. Next is that they drop into the dust even before the hunters can aim at them. They drop into the dust means they surrender. Even before the hunters aim at them, they surrender in front of the hunters. That is the impact of that happens to the, those things happen to the birds when autumn comes. So next 5 number question is that why does the poet invoke the god of May? Towards the end of the poem, the answer is that the poet invokes the god of May to have his blessing to the withered bodies of the trees. Or because with the passion of resurrection, what happened? They can get back their life. With the passion of resurrection, they can get back their life, means the dead veins of the trees can get back their lives, and the poet appeals the god of May to have some blessings, or to give some gift of green. That is the thing. So discussion 2, some questions are also there, but we are going to discuss the question number, discussion 3, that is reference to context, because the questions are very short. That's why discussion 2 for the time being we are leaving, and again we are discussing discussion 2 again. So the thing is that discussion tree is here reference to context. First number stanza, some stanza, two stanzas are given here. It shook out their hearts, the yellow leaves scattered over the ground. Anyone could trample them out of shape, undisturbed by a single moan of protest. So who is it? First question, who is it? The autumn season is it. The autumn season is it. It refers to here, autumn season refers to here. So whose yellow hearts did it shake out? It shook out, it means the autumn shook out the yellow hearts of the trees. Then number B, what happens to the leaves that are scattered on the ground? Anyone can trample, the answer is anyone can trample the leaves out of shape that are scattered over the ground. Anyone can trample, anyone can make them out of their shape. When will these withered trees bloom again? C number question. So these withered trees will bloom again when the God of May will show mercy, will show some mercy on them. That is the thing. Next question, question number 2, some gift of green again. So the thing is, what is the gift of green? The gift of green is to endow trees with life and turn them green. The gift of green here implies the gift of green and the life itself, the life to the dead veins of the trees. Will receive it. The trees, obviously the trees will receive it. Next question, what is the poet asking for when he says let one bird sing? Let one bird sing here implies the poet is asking for the gift of green again when he says let one bird sing. The internal meaning here, among the working class people, the poet appeals that one revolutionary person or poet should be born from all the working class people who can protest regarding their injustice. What happened to the birds in autumn? So that will be the same in the poem. During the autumn season, what happened? The birds flew away from the wood as if they were in exile. They were not even seen on the branches of the trees. Even what happened, even they have some sweet and melodious voice, but during this season all were completely blocked. It seems that all were completely blocked. The birds left the trees and surrendered, or they surrendered themselves even before the hunters was ready to kill them. That was happened, that all the things happen in front of the with the birds at the arrival of the autumn season. That is the discussion 2. And discussion 3 here, so the poet uses some images and the poet used some metaphors and images to suggest violence. You have to bring out some of the images and metaphors that suggest violence from the poem. You can compare your list with your partners, with your friends. The number B is, do you think these images are appropriate with the season? Yes, the images the poet used here all are appropriate with the season, because in the context of the poem, because it internal meaning implies that the autumn season implies, or the autumn season resembles the capitalist class of people who are very much brutal. What is the significance of yellow in the description of the tree leaves? Yellow becomes matured. Yellow is a pale color, faded color. So here it implies the matured, but it fall down, and anyone can make them out of their shape, or anyone can trample them. So the poet says, when the leaves are trampled, there was not a single moan of protest. Oh, do you think leaves become some? No, actually what happened, the literal meaning, whenever you trample down the leaves, they make some noise, but here they cannot show a single moan of protest even. Does the simile reaffirm the idea of yellow? Yes, very much. The simile, a simile means that comparison, reaffirms the idea of yellow here very much. Personification is giving human characteristic. These are the literary device. We are going to discuss the literary device in the next video. We will discuss, then you can understand well. Thank you for the time being. Thank you for watching this video. We will come with the literary device in the next video. Thank you.